Alright, so finally we are came to see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's go to the Samsung store and let's see how the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 it's look like. Let's have a look. My goodness. This is looking so premium and so thin as well at the same time. Ooh, wow. Literally wow. Literally wow. If you can see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, look at the comparisons. This is so thin. If you can open it, and if you can open the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, you look at the thinness. It's so thin. It's literally so thin. If you can see from here, let's close and let's have a look again one more time. Look at the thinness of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Wow. So you can see that now also there is a new 6.5-inch cover display, which is a candy bar display that you can see from here, that when you use it from front you can see that is a normal candy bar phone, and when you open it you will see a 8-inch display as well, which is a dynamic 2x 120 Hz refresh rate display. This phone is literally very light as well. The Samsung said that is a 217 grams, and actually you can see, you can feel it. When I feel my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in one hand and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 in another hand, literally you can see the difference. This is a 260 grams nearly, and this is 217 grams, which is, I can see it's a very lightweight as well. And you can see it's very nice and premium, and also you will see new 200 megapixels camera, which is that used in Samsung Galaxy S25 series, which is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra as well. And also you will see a thickness. Look at the thickness for this phone. The Samsung Galaxy, they are literally very, Samsung did it, literally Samsung accepted the challenge from the Chinese companies, and they finally made the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 very thin and very premium as well at the same time. So you can see Samsung introduced a 3 new colors, which is, this is a jet black color as well, which is look very premium, and also this one is a silver color for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This is look a very premium as well. This is titanium silver, I can say, and this is a jet blue as well, which is look very nice as well. So they introduced a 3 new colors, and literally they made a very nice phone. This is one of the premium phone from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, I can say. It is very light as well and very thin as well. And if I can give you like briefly specifications, so this phone is coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy processor, which is amazing, with a 200 megapixels camera in the back as well. And also this phone is also coming with a 40 to 4400 mAh battery, which is the similar like a Z Fold 4. But look at the thinness. In the thin phone you can fit 4400 mAh battery, which is very nice, I can say. This phone also has same 4400 mAh battery, and this phone also has same 4400 mAh battery, which is, I can say that it's literally look very premium as well. Let's quickly have a look the different colors. Let's go and let's check the silver one. So when you see, this is the silver colors for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is look very premium as well. And look at the thinness. I'm keep using this word, the thinness, but literally it's a very thin. The phone is look very thin, and literally I can't feel it that I'm using a folding phone. When I feel it in my hand, when I use it in my hand, I feel like I'm just using a normal candy bar phone, which is look very nice and premium as well for Samsung. Let's go to the third color, which was the jet black as well. This is the jet black color, which is you can see as well, which is look nice and premium as well. So this is the 3 colors that you can see from the Samsung's Flip 7, which is this phone from the Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, which is look very premium. If you are comparing from the Flip 6, they made a very nice phone for Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 as well. And this phone is coming with a Exynos 2500 chip as well, and also the battery is a 4300 mAh battery, which is the upgraded from the last year model. This Fold 7 have 4400 mAh battery and this Flip 7 have 4300 mAh battery. That I can say that this is a very good jump in the battery as well. So let's go and let's check the color. So this is the black colors that you can see in Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, and also there is another as well, which is a coral, which is especially favorite for the girls as well, the color, and it's look very nice as well. And there is another color which is the blue color as well, which is look premium as well at the same times. You can see the quality is really nice. If you can see from front, you can see this is a very good premium phone as well. Let's have a look the crease, that how much crease that you can see. When you're using from the front, you can't see more crease. It's literally, it's like Samsung did a very good job from the crease as well, that when I'm using as a normally, I can't feel the crease as well when I'm using it. It's just like a normal phone. This is very nice, pocket friendly. When you put it in your pocket, it's easily to carry as well, and when you're using in your phone, it's very nice. And also they made a slim as well if you are comparing from the Samsung Galaxy Flip 6, which is amazing. Talk about the Galaxy Watch. So also Samsung introduced a 3 Galaxy Watch as well, which was the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. This is the new 2025 model Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. There is nothing major changes. It's just a new colors that you can see, which is a titanium blue colors, and otherwise almost the specifications are similar from the Watch Ultra 2024 variant. If you can come a bit closer, then we can see the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 as well, which is look very nice and premium. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, the new classic watch, which is look a premium. Let me just put it quickly. Yeah, so this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 that you can see it. It's look very nice and premium in the hand as well, which is this color is gonna suit with my t-shirts as well, that I can say with white. And also they made a new designs, and also it's look more premium if you are comparing with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 series. That is amazing and nice as well. They made it a slim smartwatch. If you are comparing from the Watch 7 series, this time they made it a slim. So this is the slimmest watch series from the Samsung yet, which is look very nice and premium as well. Let's go with our lovely new awaited smartwatch, which was a Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So this is a new Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classics. This is literally one of my favorite watches. This is called a man smartwatch, I can say. Watch 8 Classic is look very nice. Let's quickly wear and let's have a look as well that how the Watch 8 Classic is look on me. If I like it, I feel like I'm gonna buy this immediately today as well. That kind of fan for Watch 8 Classics I am. So this is the Watch 8 Classic. It literally looks similar like a Watch Ultra, but this is a different model. This is a classic bezels that you can see, rotated bezels from the Samsung's, very premium. Samsung's always launch every 2 years the classic models. That Watch 4 Classic came, then next one was Watch 6 Classic came, and then third one was, this is the one which is a Watch 8 Classic came as well, which is look nice and amazing as well. This is literally like a men's smartwatch, I can say. You can see this is look very premium, and if you are not more athletic persons, you are not that kind of athletic persons, then you should go with the Watch 8 Classic. This is a very nice. The price they kept it in UK, which is £449 for Bluetooth variant, and if you go with LTE, then you will get it for £499. But also you will get some of the extra trading bonus as well. Like if you are trading any smartwatch, you will get at least minimum 75 to 210 pounds off if you are trading your old smartwatch as well, which is look amazing and nice as well. The designs is look very nice and literally is look very premium as well. And this is the classic people, like especially for the classic men who wanted a classic smartwatch. The Watch 8 Classic is amazing and premium, I can say. Yeah, so that was the three smartwatch which was Samsung introduced in this with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, and also the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 series as well, which is look very nice and premium. Especially the Z Fold 7 and the Watch 8 Classic, they literally look very nice, amazing. There is nothing incremental updates that you can say. They literally made a very good update in upgrade as well from the Watch and the Fold series as well. The new Samsung Galaxy A56 is also in the store, so if you are looking to buy, you can visit as well. They also introduced a new pink color as well, which is nice and amazing. I can see it, especially for the girls who are gonna like it. So basically, I asked one of the team member as well that can you explain me for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 that what is the biggest change if you are comparing with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Unfortunately, they said that it's against the policies. They can explain to me, but not front of the cameras. They need to shut down, like we have to shut down the cameras and then they can explain to me, which is I did. That's why I couldn't shoot the videos on that time. But they're explaining to me very nice, and I can see that Samsung's sales colleague have very good experience as well to convince the consumer, especially with the processor wise and also the camera wise. They explain very nice as well. If you like, for example, if I can tell that what is the difference between Z Fold 4 and Fold 7, so he explaining to me very nice way that which is I'm completely satisfied. So I can say that Samsung made a very good team as well for the sales assistants that they can explain to the consumers in very better way. Also, if you are looking at smart TV from the Samsung, so there is a new Samsung TV as well, which is a 8K QLED TV as well, which is I can see it's look very nice and premium. Also, they increase a new NQ8 AI generations processor as well, which is the second generation that I can say is look nice and premium. This is a 75-inch model, but you will get in 65-inch and also you will get it for 85-inch as well. That I can see that mentioning everything's here, and it's 18 years of global technologies for the Samsung. And if you are a game lover, and if you can see it here, that there is a curved TV as well from the Samsung. There is a curved monitor as well from the Samsung that you can see. It's look nice and premium. If you are a game lovers, you definitely gonna like it, this model as well. Alright, so that was the visit for the Samsung store, which is I specially came to see the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and also Watch 8 series as well. And also I wanted to see personally, and I wanted to compare with my Z Fold 4, which is I can see that they literally did a very good upgrade. If I wanted to buy from Fold 4 to the Fold 7, this is a very good time as well, which is I can see big difference as well from the Samsung's Fold 7. So that was the video, and that was the visit for the Samsung store. I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions regarding this, any other tech phones, please put the comments below and I will give the answers whatever your questions are. So now, time to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this lovely video. See you in the next one. Take care.